Christopher Min dinemanda ni Dominic Roque. Ayon sa report ni Jessica Ann Evangelista ng Inquirer, idinemanda ni Dominic Roque ang reporter na si Christopher Min dahil sa malicious innuendos na ginawa ni Christopher Min tungkol sa sexuality ni Roque. Sa isang official statement, umano ng mga abogado sa Fernandez and Simpson Law Offices, Roque slammed Fermin's claim made through her social media vlogs na meron siyang benefactor na politician daw umano with whom he was supposedly romantically involved with. Ayon sa Inquirer, Roque lodged the case before the office of the city prosecutor of Pasig City on May 31, 2024 as per GMA statement reporter Nelson Canlas.
Meanwhile, Bea Alonso flexes new look. Bea Alonso shows off her new style and tells her future self that everything will be okay. 3 months pagkatapos ng kanyang split up with ex-fiancé Dominic Roque, actress Bea Alonso appeared to be only looking ahead as she presented a new ferocious appearance and suggested that her future self will be okay. Sa Instagram ni Alonso, the Kapuso actress published photographs of herself with short hair and wearing a sleek and sophisticated monochromatic attire, appearing brave and confident, writing in her comment, "I haven't met the new me yet, but I believe she'll be okay."